This court will go ahead and issue warrant of arrest in respect of accused number one. Briefly, these are the points I've considered. The one that accused, we don't know the question of the accused as court, apart from reports to the DPP, letters. Two, we don't have an affidavit sworn by a medical officer, personnel, addressing that to show that the accused. Three, if accused brought on warrant of arrest, can apply based on her condition to go to competent jurisdiction, or if taken to prison, can attend hospital from prison. And since now this matter is committed to High Court, for 12th of February, for mention, A1. Okay.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.